In this video, we'll look at how to use the cross-project sales report to view your most popular packages. So let me show you where you can get to the cross-project sales report. Go ahead and click on Manage Projects, then click on the button Cross-Project Sales Report. Here's a listing of all the package groups that are associated to your projects. Go ahead and select the package group that you want to run the cross-project sales report from, and then click OK. Now let's go ahead and take a look at that report. Here's our cross-project sales report that we just created. Let's take a look at the information that we have here. First off, in column A, you can see at the top is the package group name. Directly below there, it lists out the package number and letter that was assigned by hhschools. Column B is your package name that you would have assigned to the different packages. Then column C is your package totals. This is the combined number for each one of the packages of these 4 different schools that utilize this particular package group. So as you can see, for package 1, there were a total of 383 package 1s sold across all 4 projects. Then we have a breakdown by project or school so we can see how each package performed at all 4 of the different schools. So if we take package A, you can see there were a total of 115 package totals for all 4 projects. And the breakdown is 47 at Amerson, 19 at Addison, 38 at Indian Creek, and at Ketterman there were a total of 11 package A's sold. So with this report now, you'll be able to evaluate the performance of your package groups across the different schools that utilize that package group, so you can make some adjustments as needed.